I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 8 Mixed Bag, Chapter number 55 Dances of the World. All of you know about the great heritage of classical dances that exist in our country. Classical Indian dances are extremely scientific and follow very rigid rules. So let us learn about some dance form followed in Europe. Ballet. A ballet is a theatricalized style of dance that evolved in Western Europe during the Renaissance, 1300 to 1600. The ballet envisages human form using classical principles of balance. So harmony and restraint. The form is expressed in a technique of stylish position and movements that have evolved over the centuries. The Paris Opera Ballet, the Bolshoi Ballet, and the New York Ballet companies are some of the most famous ballet companies in the world today. So most choreographers of modern ballets use existing classic music of the likes of Ludwig van Beethoven and Frederick Chopin. Next one is disco. It originated in Brazil from a dance form called Lundu. Later it evolved into a street dance, Zambacuia. It is a happy dance and most enjoyed during carnivals and other festivals. So the dance is popular for its rhyme, versatility and flexibility to fit in with any contemporary beat. Okay, jazz dance. The jazz dance is a broad term for American social stage dance, employing jazz or jazz influenced music. Jazz dance originated as social dances in the 19th century. Around the beginning of the 20th century, the twist and the foxtrot movements became the more accepted forms of jazz dance. Rock and roll. The 1950s saw further appropriation of African American dance style with the popularization of rock music associated dances. Pop star as Elvis Presley made rock and roll worldwide phenomenon. Salsa. This dance form originated in Rome with emphasis on body, movement and facial expressions, but its modern form evolved in Russia. So it required the dancers to stand on toes, only orchestra is played, no singing is involved in this dance. Next one, tango. This dance has Bohemian origin, as the name suggests. It means half the step in Chinese language. It is a couple dance with fast rhythm. It is hop, steep, close step dance, which is still very popular in dance halls across the globe. Now, multiple choice question. Question number 1. Shakira Kutis is one of the most impressive dance forms of Kerala. Which among the following is not a classical dance of India? It is D. Which among the following is not a classical dance of India? It is Ras Leela. 3. Which among the following is a folk dance of India? Number 3 is B. Garba. 4. Kathak. Okay, Kathak is the principal classical dance of Northern India. 5. Name the dance which was revived by Velathal. It is B. Kathakali. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 56. In economics, match the terms given below from economic to their definitions. Okay. A summary of intended expenditure along with proposals on how to meet them. It is, इसमें आएगा D option, जो नीचे आंसर्स लिखे हुए हैं. The price of one currency stated in terms of another currency when exchanged, it is F. So answer 1 is D. It is budget, and the next answer is F. So it is EF, exchange rate. Okay. So the next one is a market situation in which a product that does not have close substitutes is produced and sold by a single seller. इसमें H ऑप्शन आएगा. आइए देख लेते हैं H में क्या है. Monopoly. Okay. Next one, number 4. An indirect sales tax paid on product and services at each stage of production or distribution. based on the value added at that stage and included in the cost to the ultimate customer. So the option is C, VAT. तो इसमें क्या आएगा ऑप्शन C. 5. Overseas investment by private multinational or corporation. Foreign direct investment. K. K. 6. A period of slow negative economic growth usually accompanied by rising unemployment. So the option 6 is recession. Number 7. A reduction in the level of national income and output usually accompanied by a fall in the general price level. So the number 7 is O, deflation. Deflation. O. 8. Duty levied on the imports of certain goods. The option is bull. The option is L. 9. A state of economic prosperity. Boom. M. Number 10. An amount that one needs to pay every month towards one's loan repayment based on the loan amount, interest rate and tenure. So the answer is EMI. E. A rise in the general level of prices of goods and services in an economy over a period of time. So the answer 11 is B, inflation. B. 12. An investor with an optimistic market outlook and one who expects price to rise and so buys now for resale later. So the number 12 is okay. Number L. Bull. HI, customs duty. So answer 12 is L. Bull. An economically advanced country whose economy is characterized by a large industrial and service sector and high levels of income per head. So number 13 is developed country, J. 14. The value of all final goods and services produced within a nation in a given year plus income earned by its citizens abroad minus income earned by foreigners from domestic production. So the option is gross national product, G. 15. The practice in which countries trade across continents and companies trade all over the world. So the option is 15A, globalization. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 57. Food wise. The chapter only for reading. People throughout the world like to enjoy the delicious food, of different countries, Italian, Mexican, Chinese, and their food are served in many curries. Indian curries and Mughlai food, okay, have gained great popularity in the West. So read about some popular dishes and do ask for them when you go to a good restaurant the next time. But remember, do not ask for Japanese food in a Chinese restaurant. Okay, so onions and cheese spread on a flat baked base and then grilled is known as pizza. Different topping can be spread on the pizza base according to your taste and choice. So pizza is an Italian dish. Cappuccino is coffee with milk, espresso, and Europe is black coffee without milk. Remember to ask for cappuccino if you want milk in your coffee. Crosscuts are rolls of French bread. They are extremely soft, spongy and delicious. Chili or corn crab is a Brazilian dish. It is made of minced meat, kidney beans and tomatoes. It tastes great when eaten with bread. Fondue is a dish from Switzerland. It is made with melted cheese, eaten by dipping crusty bread coulis into it. It is eaten with long forks. Okay, next one. Truffles are the world's most expensive food. They are very special mushrooms. Caviar is a great delicacy which consists of fish and preserved duck eggs are delicacy in China. The eggs are prevented from going bad by boiling them in a mixture of ashes, lime, salt and tea for about 6 months. Then they are dug up and eaten. If the head of a snake is chopped off, the remaining body can be eaten as white meat. It may not be a great delicacy but can definitely be eaten when you run short of food. Okay, so name any 8 Indian and 8 any foreign dishes. Indian dishes. Kadi chawal, dosa, idli sambar, litti chokha. These are the Indian food, na? And number 5. Saag, साग एंड रोटी, मक्के दी रोटी जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ओके, खीर, खीर पूरी है ना, आलू पराठा. These are the Indian foods. And the last one is dal chawal. Now foreign dishes. Okay, some foreign dishes. Number 1, sushi. Number 2, paella. And number 3 is pad thai. Okay, number 4 is croissant. And the number 5 is biryani. Number 6 is tacos al pastor. Number 7, kimchi jjigae. Number 8, pasta carbonara. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 58, skills for a successful life. Here are some important points that you should follow to lead a successful life. Have a definite objective. It provides a vision, purpose and goal of why you want to achieve. Being aimless in life leads you nowhere. Number 2, draw up a plan. It provides a base to your objective and helps in fulfilling your plan. Take a decision, make an action plan and focus or act on the activities which are right. It will help you to complete your task in a better way. Motivate yourself, organize your daily routine, develop enthusiasm for every task you undertake. It is the main driving force that will help you achieve your goals. Think positive. When a negative thought enters your mind, try to replace it immediately with a positive one. Okay. Have confidence in yourself. Give your best in everything that you do. Have a day-to-day strategy to achieve it. Use your imagination. It is the skill that helps you to think towards a new direction, come up with fresh ideas that helps you to develop new concepts. Hone your interpersonal skills. These skills help you to interact with people of varied cultural backgrounds. It forms an important part for a successful life. Improve on yourself. Every day is a learning experience. Try to improve on your weak areas. For example, if your handwriting is not up to the mark, practice more so that it becomes better. Good behavior. Always be polite and humble when you are talking to your friends. Respect your elders. This reflects what type of a person you are. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 15. 59. Computer bag. Piloting. Without actually getting into one, pilots can become experts at flying modern aeroplanes. The trainee pilots are trained on computer-controlled machines called simulators. A computer makes the simulator act just like an aeroplane, while the controls give even realistic reading of how the plan is now and how much fuel is left in that tank. Computer diagnosis. X-ray scanner takes thousands of pictures of the inside of a patient's body and feeds them to a computer. So these pictures are sorted out and processed by the computers to show an organ in the body from any desired angle. So this is a CAT scan and a CT scan. CT scan and CT scan. Robot. A robot is a machine that imitates some of the actions of a human being. Boring or dangerous work in factories can be done by robots if they are controlled by computers. We can program instructions into the computer and it will make the robot follow movement exactly. CAD, CAD. What is this? What is CAD? CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, which is a way of designing things on a computer. The computer constructs an object based on the information fed into it. The design can even be tested and parts of it that are not good enough can be identified and improved. Faster calculations. Computer calculate millions of telephone and electricity bills, control machinery in factories and transport systems. Today's bank teller sits before a computer terminal which is linked to the bank's central computer where details of all accounts are stored. So if you have a bank account in Delhi or you're visiting any place which has branch of that bank, you can draw money for the computer knows your account. So fill in the blanks it. Number 1. An operating system is a system software. Operating system is a system. It manages the rounds of a computer system and makes a computer easy to use. Number 2. The dash is represented by a computer icon and it contains information regarding everything that is stored on the computer. So the number 2 is my computer is represented. Three. A dash is a rectangular portion on the screen in which an application or a program displays information. It is Windows. A Windows. Number 4. A dash can be thought as a collection of data. It is file. A file can be thought. ठीक है, फाइल में क्या होता है, डाटा कलेक्ट होता है, stored on a secondary storage media. Number 5. A folder. A folder can contain files as well as folders. Number 6. The initial window screen that the users can see is called the desktop. Number 7. The dash features of Windows allow you to easily recover deleted files and folders. So the number 7 is recycle bin. Recycle bin. Number 8. The dash menu is activated by pressing the button that is present at the left corner on the taskbar. Start. The start menu. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 60. Vital vitamins. Vitamins are essential nutrients that we obtain from food. Read the description and write the names of the vitamins. Number 1. This vitamin helps in increasing our energy level and hence brain function, and it also prevents infections. Fruits, grains, eggs and dairy products are excellent sources of this vitamin. Vitamin A, brain function. Vitamin B. This vitamin B. This vitamin helps in controlling high blood pressure and preventing heart diseases. Fruits like mango, kiwi and papaya are good sources of this vitamin C. This vitamin helps to enhance immunity and prevents coronary heart diseases. Vegetables, oils, nuts and green leafy vegetables are the source of this vitamin. So this is vitamin E. This vitamin plays a key role in blood clotting, bone metabolism and regulating blood calcium levels. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale are excellent sources of this vitamin. So this is vitamin K. Number 5. This vitamin helps in repairing of the skin. It helps in keeping teeth and bone strong. Milk, eggs, meat, cheese, etc. are a source of it. Vitamin A. Six. This vitamin helps in maintaining phosphorus levels in the blood and regulate calcium. Fatty such as tuna, mackerel, eggs, yolk, etc. are good source of it. It is vitamin D. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 61. Infrastructure. Infrastructure means the structure below, which means foundation. It is therefore basic to all activities in the economy. Now fill in the blanks. Infrastructure is often divided into two categories, dash and dash. Economic, social. Economic infrastructure includes dash, dash and dash, etc. So these are the power, transportation, communication. Power, transportation and communication. This one. Number 3, social infrastructure include. So number 3 is education, health, housing. Education, health and housing. Number 4, today India generates dash billions of kWh of kilowatt of electricity. So the number 4 is 524. No, 527. 527. Only dash percent rural households and dash percent urban homes in India have 40-80. 40% rural and 80% urban. India has a railway route length of dash kilometer. It is 63,000. Question number 7. India has dash railway station in the country, 7,000. Today, India is having dash lakh kilometer total road length, 25. 25 lakh kilometer. 9. Total length of national highways in India is, it is 58,000 kilometer. 58,000 kilometer. Number 10. India has dash national waterways. 4. The Shipping Corporation of India has a fleet of 160 vessels. Number 12. There are dash post offices in India, 15,500. India has more than dash PCO and STD booths, 5 lakhs. Female life expectancy in India is dash years, while male life expectancy is dash. So India is 65.3. While male life expectancy is 62.3 years. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 62. Odd one out. Write the odd one out in each set. Number 1. The Pickwick Papers. Okay, question number 1 is, it is D, second B, third B. Okay, A, B, C, D. And odd one out करना है हमें इसमें. Number 4, clarinet, banjo, saxophone, flute. So the number 4 is B, banjo. 5, King Lear, Othello, The Tempest, The Cherry Orchard. Number 5, तो इसमें ऑप्शन है D, odd one out जो. Number 6, Heal the World, Happy, Dangerous, Another Day in Paradise. So the 6 is D. 7, A, The Two Towers. B, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. C, Prince Caspian. D, The Voyage of the Dawn Trader. So the 7 में ऑप्शन है A, जो odd one out है. A. A Man Book Prize, Pulitzer Prize, Grammy, Jananpat Award. So इसमें कौन सा अलग है? A, B, C. 9. A Wednesday, Independence Day, A Beautiful Mind, March of the Penguins. 9. This one, A. 10. A, B, C, D. Number 10 is B. This one. 11. Mad-Eye Moody, Professor Quirrell, Frodo, Ginny, Weasley. So the number 11 is C. 12 में है B, obliques. इन चारों में B ऑप्शन odd one out है. Number 13, a Long John Silver, Billy Bones, Captain Speedy, Captain Fate. So the 13 is C. 14, a Brad Pitt, Tom Cruise, Hugh Grant, Andrew Lloyd Webber. So the 14 is D. And last one, Yanni, Cameron Diaz, Alka Yagnik, Elton John. So the option is B. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 63. Scientific study. Fill in the missing letters to write the names of various branches of science. Okay, let me start. Number 1. Dash, the study of sound and sound waves. It is the acoustics. COUSTUSTI. This one. Number 2. G is the study of cell. This is cytology. Number 3. Number 3 is the study of interrelationship between living things and their environment. Ecology. Ecology. Number 4. Dash is the study of variation and transmission of hereditary characteristics from parents to their young ones. So the number 4 is genetics. 5 is the study of fungi. It is mycology. Colog. Number 6 is the study of bones. Osteology. 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 Number 7, psychology is the study of human mind. 8, zoology is the study of animals. It is zoology. Number 9, dash is the study of insect. Either entomology. Entomology. Number 10, dash is the study of flowers and flowering plants. So this is anthology. Anthology. 11, cardiology is the study of heart. Cardiology. Number 12 is the study of aging. Gerontology. Gerontology. Okay, is the study of aging. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 64. Wow, waterfalls. Water of the river falling from a great height through a steep rock forms a waterfall. Read the description and write the names of these beautiful world famous waterfalls. So the number 1, dash falls are located on river Zambezi, flowing between Zimbabwe and Zambia, discovered by David Livingstone of Scotland. He named them after a famous queen. It is Victoria. Number 2, dash falls are situated on river Luxor, flowing on the border of Brazil and Argentina. These are a chain of 275 waterfalls. ये है Laguazu. Number 3, dash falls are situated on river Potaro, flowing in Guyana. These falls are regarded as sacred by the locals and are 2 to 6 meter high. This is Kaieteur. Kaieteur. Dash falls are considered the highest falls in the world. Okay, these falls are located on river Carao, following Venezuela, South America. So this is Angel. Dash falls lie on the river Blue Nile. They are situated in Ethiopia, Africa. It is Blue Nile Falls. Number 6, dash falls are the highest falls in India. These are situated in Karnataka and are 455 meter in height. ये है Kunchikal. Kunchikal. Kunchikal Fall. 7, dash falls situated at the border of USA and Canada. It is the combination of height and volume that makes this fall so amazing and beautiful. So this is Niagara. Niagara Fall. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. So everyone, the chapter number 64 is completed here. Okay, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 65. Global sculptures. Okay, so sculptures are made by shipping wood, stone, clay or other materials. Look at the pictures, read the description and write the names of these world famous sculpture. Number 1. Dash is a tiny figurine measuring just about 4 inches in height. It was discovered in Austria in 1908. It is the most famous object from the Old Stone Age. It is Venus of Willendorf. Venus of Willendorf. Okay. Number 2. The statue of Dash has its origin in a project to decorate the buttresses of Florence's great cathedral, the Duomo, with a group of figures taken from the Old Testament. Number 2. So this is David. Number 3. Dash has been a symbol of feminine beauty since it was first unearthed in 1912 within the ruins of Amarna, the capital city built by a parach of ancient Egyptian history. Okay, Akhenaten. It is bust of Nefertiti. Bust of okay. Next one. Number 4. Dash discovered in 1974 is an enormous catch of clay statues buried in 3 massive pits near the tomb of Shi Hung, the first emperor of China. So the number 4 answer is the Terracotta Army. The Terracotta Army. Number 5. Dash is a beloved fixture of Whitney's Museum's collection created by Alexander Calder. It is primarily made of wire and wood. Okay, so the number 5 is Caladier Circus. Next one. Number 6. Dash is one of the most iconic artworks of classic antiquity. It was originally sculpted in bronze by an Athenian called Myron. Okay, so the number 6, the discus thrower. The discus thrower. Number 7, Dash is regarded as one of the finest work of Michelangelo Buonarroti. It's currently placed in Vatican City at St. Peter's Basilica. So this is the Pieta. The Pieta. Number 8, Dash statue gained immense popularity after it appeared on the bestseller Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil by John Bent. It was created by Sylvia Shaw Johnson in 1936. So it is Savannah Bird Girl. This is Savannah Bird Girl. Number 9. Dash is an ancient Greek sculpture recognizable by its missing arms and popularly believed to represent Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of beauty and love. So this is Venus of Willendorf. Venus de Milo. Now last, number 10. Dash is the only surviving work of ancient Greek sculpture, Praxiteles. It has set a standard for sculpting of hair and facial characteristics. It is Hermes. Hermes. Okay. So everyone, the chapter of all this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all these chapters. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.